Hey everyone, you're watching GetAssist.net, a platform where you can find solutions for all your technical issues. And today's video is going to be about how you can turn on limits on Instagram. So this is a feature that lets you avoid unwanted interactions on Instagram. So if you want to know more about this feature, make sure you watch the video till the end and make sure you have subscribed to my channel. And now let's get started with the video. So first of all, you just have to open the Instagram app and then you have to tap your profile icon given at the bottom right. Now from here you have to tap the menu icon given at the top right, the three lines, and from here you have to go to settings. Now in settings, simply tap on privacy and under interactions the first option is limits. As you can see, it is currently off for my profile. Alright. To turn it on, you simply have to tap on it, and here you will get all the information that how you can make the best use of this feature. So using limits, you can limit unwanted interactions. If you feel like you are being harassed, you can temporarily limit unwanted comments and messages. So in case if you are an influencer or if you are even a budding influencer on Instagram and you have a lot of followers, so in case you are feeling so overwhelmed with the comments that you receive, and if you feel that you are being harassed, so you can use this feature. All right, so this will restrict some comments from groups that looks like harassing. All right, so here what Instagram will do, they will recommend groups of accounts you may want to limit comments and messages from, and limited comments and messages will be hidden unless you approve them. So they will still appear, but unless you approve them, they will not be visible to other Instagram followers of yours. Alright, so they will only be visible to you, the comments that you have limited, and only if you approve them, they will be visible to everyone on Instagram. And this won't affect your reach in the feed and explore. So this will not affect your growth on Instagram by limiting comments and messages. So simply tap continue. Here again you will get some information. You can simply tap on learn how it works if you want more clarity about it. Or now here you are getting two options. One is who to limit, accounts that are not following you, and the recent followers. Alright, so the accounts that are not following you may be spam or fake or may have been created to harass you. Alright, so if you are getting comments and messages from those accounts that are not following you, you can limit them as well, or from your recent followers. So the followers that you have gained in the last week, Instagram will limit comments and messages from those followers. So you can keep it on, as you can see on the screen, if you want to limit the interaction with accounts that are not following you or with your recent followers. And again you can set a time limit. So here is the option how long to limit for. You can simply tap on it, and here you will get to select out of days or weeks. So 1 week you can select, or 1 day, or maybe 2 weeks, 3 weeks, depending up. It's totally up to you. All right, then tap set reminder. Once you do that, the limit will automatically be removed after the time period that you have set right here. So that's how you can easily limit any unwanted interaction on Instagram from those accounts that are not following you and they are still commenting on your post or messaging you. So I hope you found this video helpful, and if you do, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and if you have any doubts related to any of my videos, do let me know in the comment section down below. And for now I will take the leave. We'll see you the next time.